How to log in MEW crypto wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will guide you on how you can log in the MEW crypto wallet. Now let's get started. First of all, open the MEW crypto wallet on your mobile device. Now you can see there is an option of import existing wallet. Click on that. Over there, click on restore with recovery phase. Now use the recovery phase you have while you got in the backup. Now tap on continue to log in your wallet. Now over here, type in the 24 phrases that you got while you created your account. Now after you've wrote all of the 24 phrases, now tap on restore at the top right corner of the screen. Now pick a new PIN so that no one can unlock your account. Now retype your PIN for the privacy purpose. Now the crypto wallet is being restored. Now you're good to go. If you found this video to be helpful, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.